How to import your EFS file encryption certificate and key in Windows 10. Importing your EFS certificate is essential if you want to regain access to encrypted files on a new or freshly reset Windows 10 device. Let's walk through how to do this safely and effectively. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe now to our IT Video Hub and YouTube channel so you never miss out on smart IT tips and powerful solutions from NinjaOne. EFS, or Encrypting File System, protects sensitive files by locking them behind a user-specific certificate. Without the certificate and its private key, your encrypted files will remain unreadable. So, if you're switching computers or recovering from a crash, importing that certificate is critical. Using the Certificate Import Wizard. The easiest method is the Certificate Import Wizard. First, locate your Backup Personal Information Exchange, or PFX file. This file holds both the certificate and the private key. Press Windows key plus R, type certmgr.msc and hit Enter. In the Certificate Manager, expand Personal, Certificates, right-click Certificates, and select All Tasks Import. Choose your PFX file, enter the password, and decide whether to mark the key as exportable. Only select this option if you plan to make backups. Otherwise, leave it unchecked for better security. Using Command Prompt. More advanced users can use Command Prompt or PowerShell. In Command Prompt, open it as an administrator and enter. In PowerShell. Verifying and troubleshooting imports. To verify a successful import, go back to certmgr.msc and check under Personal and Certificates. If your certificate is listed and includes Encrypting File System under Intended Purposes, you're all set. Having trouble? Check that your PFX includes the private key. Open the certificate and look for the message, "You have a private key that corresponds to this certificate." If not, you may need to locate a different backup. For more information, check out our official blog post on importing EFS certificates in Windows 10, linked in the description below.